All right, so cup. So C is what we care about. I care about my u, my du, my dx, and my x. What is going to be my u? I look at this problem. I ask myself, what is the most tricky thing about this problem? This. And so I pick up what's on the inside and make that my u. So that's going to be 2 plus x to the fourth. I take the derivative of that, which is 4x cubed, and then add a dx at the end, okay? dx, always going to be the same. And so then solve for dx, so that's going to be du divided by 4x cubed, right? Take this and solve for dx, and then I don't solve for x until I go to this step, and I see if I need it. If I don't, then I don't solve for it. Basically, if things cancel out, then I don't solve for x. So I put everything in terms of u, that's what the u stands for in cup. So that's going to be x cubed, and then I made this u squared, and then my dx is du over 4x cubed. And so I note that my x cubes cancel out, okay? And then this 4 is really 1 times du over 4, so I could just simply take that out to the front, okay? And then I have a really nice integral, and I can use my exponent rules to bring this back into the top. So I could just do u to the negative 2, and then use my power rule. So plus 1, that becomes a negative 1, and then you divide by whatever this gives you. It's negative 1. So it's really just negative u to the negative 1, all being multiplied by 1/4, plus a c. Because it's an indefinite integral, we have no bounds. And then the p part over here is plug u back in, because this is your answer in terms of u, but you want it in terms of your original variable, and that is x. So I go ahead and I take this and I plug in u. So what is my u? It's 2 plus. Actually, let's put it back how it was. So this was 1 over u. Because after we do this, we could just simply put it back like this. It's easier to see things. So it's still negative 1 over u, so 2 plus x to the fourth, and then plus c. And then we could put in, we can distribute the 1/4 in, so that could be negative 1, and then 4, 2 plus x to the fourth plus c, and that is your answer for this integral in terms of the original variable, which is x.